Good morning children. Welcome again here in this video tutorial. I'm Renu Kanyal and today I'll teach you science. This is our science tutorial class. Okay. Look at the board what I have drawn on the board. Yes, some vegetables, some fruits and some eating things also. Okay. So what is this? A kind of food. Okay. And where do we get food from? We get food from plants and animals, right? Okay. And why do we need food? Think. Why do we need food? Yes, we need food to stay healthy and thinking and playing and so many things. We need food. Fine. Okay. Can you tell me the nutrients present in food? Okay. So children, this is our topic. Our today's topic is food and digestion. In this topic, we'll learn about food and nutrients present in food. Right? So our topic is food and digestion. Okay? Our topic is food and digestion. Fine? This is our topic. So first we know about let's know about first food. Food contains the nutrients needed by our body to grow, remain healthy and also to fight diseases. Food eaten by us is used by our body for the following purposes. Food is very important for us to give us energy to do work, and second point is to protect us from diseases, to protect us from diseases, and third one is to build and repair, to build and repair the parts of our body, the parts of our body that have been damaged, okay. And the last point is for growth, right? For growth. Okay, these are the main points for needing food. To give us energy, food help us to give us energy to do work, to protect us from diseases, to build and repair the parts of our body that have been damaged, and for growth. So we need food for the following things. So food is very important for us. Main thing is growth, remain healthy and fight for diseases. Fine. So next topic is nutrients in food. Nutrients present in the food. Okay. In order to meet the demands of the body, we need to eat food items that contain different nutrients. There are different types of nutrients that are needed by our body. Each one has a different function. Okay, nutrients in food. Okay, So first of all, we will write here nutrients in food, right? There are lots of nutrients present in food such as carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, fats and minerals. So first of all, we will study about carbohydrates. So carbohydrates containing food are, what is carbohydrate first? Let me discuss about it. The group of food that help us to get energy to work, play and think. It means the group of food. This is a group of food. This is a group of food that help us to get energy to work, play and think. Sugar and starch are carbohydrates. You know, sugar and starch are carbohydrates, and this is the fruits like pineapple, banana contains lots of sugar. This is chocolate. Candies and chocolates also contain lots of sugar. This is bread and chapati. These are the food containing carbohydrates. And the example of food containing carbohydrates are wheat, rice, sweets, etc. Example wheat, rice, sweets, etc. Okay, means और भी हो सकते हैं. And they are needed in large quantities. Our body need that kind of nutrient in large amount, large quantity. Fine. So move on to the next nutrients. This is protein, right? Okay, the next nutrient is proteins. The group of food that helps to repair and build different parts of our body. Okay, we have different kinds of parts in our body, internal organs and external body parts and internal body parts. So it helps to repair that nutrient. This protein is help to repair the and build different parts of our body. Example, you can see the example here: pulses, meat, fish, eggs, milk and milk product. Okay, so these are the things, these are the food containing proteins. So here we have example of protein: pulses, meat, eggs, pulses, meat, eggs, etc. Okay, these are the examples of proteins. So protein is basically it needed in lesser quantities than carbohydrate. Children, let's move outside of the class and I'll show you some sources of food. Okay? Children, let me show you some plants in our surrounding. Look at this. This is a field of wheat plant, right? You can see a whole field. It's a very big field. It's a wheat field. Okay, these are wheat plants, right? And here some fruits also there. Look at that tree. This is mango tree. Both the trees are mangoes. And you can see here cabbage. Look at this. Yes, this one. Okay, these all plants are source of food and we get nutrients, all the nutrients from these plants also, and animals also, but main the plants. Okay, so here you can see lots of plants. We can get nutrients from these plants, right? Let's move on to the next nutrients, that is vitamins, right? So next nutrients is vitamins. Fine. There are kind of vitamins we get from different kinds of fruits and edible things, right? There are different kinds of vitamins we get from edible things and different kinds of fruit. Let's take an example of nowadays disease, because vitamins is the group of food which is needed to protect the body from diseases and help to keep us healthy and free from any illness. Right? Illness means बीमारी, बीमारियों से हमें बचाता है, means हमारी हेल्प करता है बीमारियों से दूर रखने में. And many diseases, you know that nowadays COVID-19 is spreading, its frequency is very high. Okay, it is spreading all over the world, so we should take vitamin C. And vitamin C containing fruits are like orange, lemon. Okay, so I'm drawing some food containing vitamins here. First one is this one. Okay, and another one is this also. This is fish and this is egg. And another thing is slice of, I'm drawing over here slice of bread, and here, okay, these are slice of bread. And after that, food containing vitamin C, that is lemon. Right, this is lemon. And food containing vitamin D, that is milk. Okay, milk. Fine. So here we have vitamin A, vitamin B. This is vitamin A, and this is vitamin B, example of vitamin B. And this is the example of vitamin C, and this is the example of vitamin D. Okay, so food containing vitamins, there are kind of vitamins. So here first one is food containing vitamin A, that is fish, egg, etc. And food containing vitamin B, that is bread. And food containing vitamin C, that is lemon, orange and other citrus fruit. Right? And food containing vitamin D, that is milk. Okay, so vitamin is the group of food which is needed to protect the body from diseases. These protect us from, for our body from diseases, and also help to keep us healthy and free from any illness. Right? So here we have example fruits, vegetables, fruits and vegetables. We can take fruits and vegetables as to gain vitamins. Okay, so they are needed in very small quantities. In the high quantity we need carbohydrates, and according to carbohydrate lesser quantity we need proteins, and in lesser quantity we need vitamins. Right? So children, let's move into the next nutrients, that is minerals. These help to make our teeth and bones stronger and help to improve the quality of blood in our body. Example, calcium and iron, which are present in milk and green vegetables. You can see here, these are mustard's leaf and spinach. We can say that these are spinach leaf, and this is apple. It contains iron. And this is milk. Milk is also important for our bones. Okay, because a lots of calcium is present in this milk. And here iron is present in this spinach and apple. We can get iron from this also, this fruit also, and it is very important for the quality of blood in our body. It is very important for to improve the quality of blood in our body. So these are food containing minerals example. These are the food containing minerals or examples. So here you can see banana, milk, apple and spinach. It means green vegetables. So this is very important for us because minerals helps to make our teeth and bones stronger, and if we have stronger teeth and stronger bones, then we can do any work very easily. Okay, and also it's improve the quality of blood in our body. So it is calcium and iron which are present in milk and green vegetables. So everyone, your parents also every time telling you that just eat green vegetable. Most of the students don't like green vegetables, but green vegetables and milk is very important for our body. So you should take a glass of milk every day, and in the seasonal time you should eat green vegetables also, right? So our next nutrients is fats, right? So what is fats, children? Look at the board, what I have drawn here. Look at here. These are nuts. This is oil. This is butter. This is cheese. So food containing fats. These are the food containing fats. Okay? Nuts, oil, butter, cheese. So let me explain. The group of foods that keeps our body warm and stores energy. Food that keeps our body warm, right? जो हमारी बॉडी को गर्म रखता है and stores energy means energy को save करता है. That is fat, right? So here we have example of fats: nuts, oil, butter and cheese. You know, these are needed in very small quantities. In the comparison of carbohydrate, we need fats in very small quantities. Okay, if we take a large fats in a large quantities, it will also harmful for us. Okay, because fats is also very dangerous for everyone, all human beings. If there is lots of fat in our body, we suffered by many diseases, right? So it needed in very small quantities. Understood, everyone? So we read the nutrients in food: carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. Understood, everyone? इतना हमने पढ़ा है अभी तक. Food nutrients in food, these are, and food containing carbohydrates like rice, sweets and wheat, and food containing proteins are eggs, fish, meat, pulses, milk and milk product. These are the example of food containing vitamins. That is, there are kind of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and we get vitamin D from milk. We get vitamin C from lemon, oranges, and we get vitamin B from bread. It is also good for our heart and nerves, and vitamin A is good for eyesight, skin and hair. These are the beneficials for vitamin C is good for skin, joints, teeth and gums, and vitamin D is good for our bones and our teeth. Okay? So here we have learned lots of nutrients in food. Now let me tell you about the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Okay, children, look at here. What is a balanced diet? The meal or diet which we take daily, like in our breakfast, lunch and dinner, that contains all the nutrients which I have explained, that is carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fat. These are the nutrients in the right proportion. Okay, in the right proportion, it means that do not take to enough nutrients. Okay, in right proportion means इक्वल, हमें थोड़ा थोड़ा लेना होता है, कुछ भी ज़्यादा नहीं लेना होता है. ओके, राइट प्रोपोर्शन, दैट मीन्स राइट प्रोपोर्शन टू कीप आवर बॉडी हेल्दी एंड फिट इज कॉल्ड अ बैलेंस डाइट. इट मीन्स बैलेंस डाइट हम लेंगे अगर हम बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में फैट्स लेते हैं. इफ़ विल टेक लॉट्स ऑफ नट्स, ऑयल, बटर, चीज़ in our meal, so it's also very harmful for us. It's increase our fat. Okay, so we should take a few amount, very less amount or quantities of fats according to we should take very less or small quantities of fats than other nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay, so the meal or diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportion to keep our body healthy and fit is called a balanced diet. So children, next is our journey of food. We will learn this in our next tutorial class. So here we have done today nutrients in food and about food. Food gives us energy to do work, and let's recap it one more time. Food gives us energy to do work, to protect us from diseases, to build and repair the parts of our body that have been damaged, and for growth. And nutrients present in food like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, right? And we have also learned about the balanced diet. You should follow a balanced diet, right? See you in the next science tutorial class. Bye bye, have a nice day.